The news in detail. A cabinet meeting held today saw several key decisions taken to address various state matters. The cabinet has decided to amend the state anthem to incorporate lines in Pnar, which will be unveiled during the Meghalaya Games in July. Guidelines for the Art and Heritage Award were approved to recognize contribution in performing arts, and a selection committee will oversee the process. The cabinet also approved the recipients for the Meghalaya Day Awards 2025, with Sembartosh A. Sangma receiving the Utirot Singh Award, Reverend Wiley Cooper Kongwer the P.A. Togan and Sangma Award, and Khmon Waalang the U Kyang Nongba Award.
The cabinet today has decided to amend the Meghalaya state anthem, and we are happy to include few lines in Pnar in the state anthem. So this will be unveiled in the state Meghalaya Games, which will be held in Vijay in Jaintia Hills, and we'll be playing it on that particular day.
The cabinet today approved the Meghalaya School Service Rule